The atmosphere exerts pressure on us. It is pushing on us because it is made up of particles. Now at sea level, the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is about 1 million pascals. At sea level, the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is about 1 million pascals. When we talk about the sea level, we use the surface of the sea as a measure of how high we are. Okay, so the sea level is the basic side that we measure from. If you move any height above sea level, we say you are above the sea level. So at the basic measurement, or at the basic point of measurement, that is what we call the sea level. At this point, if you are standing over here on land that is level with the sea, this is the amount of pressure that is being exerted on you. 1 million pascals. Now this is a lot of pressure on us, but fortunately for us, we are able to withstand this. We are able to withstand this because the pressure in our lungs and in the bloodstream matches the pressure being exerted by the atmosphere. So we are not crushed by this because the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is matched by the pressure in the lungs and the bloodstream. So in our lungs and bloodstream, we have the same amount of pressure that cancels the pressure being exerted by the atmosphere. Now we know that pressure depends on force and then area, and then our veins and then other blood vessels are very small. Therefore, since the area is very small, the pressure could be very high, and that is how come we are able to match the atmospheric pressure. As we move up high above sea level, the pressure decreases. So over here at sea level, these are the amount of particles on us. These are the amount of particles in the air on us. As we move high above sea level, these are the only particles that are going to be on us over here at this section. So at sea level, we have a lot of pressure on us because all these particles are acting on us. But when we move above sea level, the pressure reduces because most of the particles are below us, and then only a few of the particles are above us. Now pressure acts in all directions. That is one characteristic of pressure in fluids. Pressure acts in all directions. So over here we've seen that at sea level the pressure is 1 million pascals. We are not crushed because the pressure is being matched by the pressure in our bloodstream. Now when you take a flight and then the flight moves very high into the sky where the pressure reduces so much, you eventually tend to bleed because the pressure inside you becomes greater than the pressure outside. Therefore you need to get rid of some of the pressure inside, causing the bleeding.